Forget ChatGPT tutorials. These new AI niches are pulling in millions of views in just weeks, and almost nobody is talking about them. The best part, you don't need any special skills to create this kind of content. I've uncovered channels that are only 3 to 5 months old, already generating over 65 million views in under 2 months and making more than $350,000. After researching over 1,000 niches, I've narrowed it down to the most underrated AI gold mines that almost no one is paying attention to. And wait until you hear about the third channel. It's so shockingly profitable, it'll feel like you just unlocked a cheat code for YouTube success. So make sure you stick around until the end, because I'll not only reveal these hidden niches, but I'll also show you step by step how to create these kinds of videos yourself and how to instantly start getting views on your own channel. The niche is Prehistoric Stories and History YouTube niche. I've found 3 channels less than 3 months old that are already pulling in millions of views, and their videos are so easy to make. Let's take a look at one of them, Prehistoric Stories. This channel was created on July 16th, 2025, so it's not even 3 months old yet. They've uploaded just 29 videos, but already gained over 81,000 subscribers. Now here's where it gets crazy. One of their videos has exploded with over 15 million views. If we take a conservative estimate of just a $6 RPM, that single video alone has brought in over $90,000. And remember, that's a low estimate because this niche usually has a much higher RPM. So you can see, even with relatively few uploads, the potential here is massive. And the best part, you don't need to be a professional to create these kinds of videos. Stick around because later in this video, I'll show you exactly how to make one yourself. The next channel is called Primal Earth Channel. This one was created on August 20th, 2025, which means it's less than 2 months old at the time of recording this video. And the results are insane. So far, they've uploaded only 15 videos, yet their most viewed video has already crossed 11 million views. And in just this short period, they've gained over 50,000 subscribers. Think about that, 15 videos, 2 months, 50,000 subscribers. That's the power of tapping into a high demand AI niche early. And here's the thing, it doesn't stop at subscribers. With views like this, even a single viral video could easily translate into tens of thousands of dollars in ad revenue.
And the last channel in this category is called Hominid History Hub. This one was created on July 9th, 2025, and the results so far are absolutely insane. With just 24 videos, this channel has already pulled in over 66 million views at the time of recording this video. Even crazier, their most watched video has racked up almost 40 million views in such a short period of time. That's not just growth, that's explosive domination in a niche most creators haven't even thought about. These numbers prove that AI-powered storytelling in prehistoric and history niches is a gold mine. Now that you've seen the insane potential of these AI niches, the big question is, how do you actually create a video like this yourself? So let's click on one of their videos. Actually, let's check their most popular one with 19 million views and see what it looks like. It's literally just a prehistoric human, kind of monkey-like, getting attacked by a cobra. That's it. Random but fascinating scenes. Snakes attacking humans, survival moments, and these imaginative perspectives of how humans might have lived in ancient times. Here is one potential mistake that this channel is making that might cost them millions down the line or potentially kicked out of YouTube ad revenue that we need to correct, if you notice. There is no sound on the videos, and that might be an issue according to YouTube policies updated a few months ago about AI content. YouTube updated its monetization rules to better define what counts as inauthentic or mass-produced repetitive content, especially as generative AI tools make it easier to produce large volumes of similar videos. So we need to add an element of authenticity to our videos, and we'll show you how to do this. This is an exclusive money printing tutorial. We've done all the hard work. You just copy, paste, and upload. All prompts are included in the doc linked in the description. Make sure to subscribe so you don't miss it. Step 1 is open ChatGPT to generate your idea and title. Use this prompt to generate 10 potential titles. Pick the title that excites you the most. This is your main content idea. Now step 2 is to generate the story script. Open another tab. Feed this master prompt into ChatGPT to make a story with consistent characters and scenes. Now again, put this short prompt into the GPT and replace your chosen title with this line. Here you go. Now you have generated the whole story with ready-to-go prompts. Simple. Your pre-production is ready. Now we are just 3 steps away from uploading our first video.
Step 4 is generating images. Use Google's Whisk platform or any AI image generator. Paste each scene prompt and generate images. If you use Google's Whisk, never forget to use subject, scene, and style placeholders. Download all images and keep them in a folder. Now this is the main part, generating the visuals. For this we will use VO3 image to video generator. Paste your story prompt and exact image for each scene. Now take a breath. Remember, AI works best when you give clear instructions. As I mentioned earlier, YouTube has updated their monetization policies. So commentary on these videos is compulsory. Copy the whole story and again ask GPT to convert this visual story into wildlife commentary narration. Put this script into 11 labs. Choose the voice you like. I'm choosing this one. Now here you go, we have our videos and voiceover. Let's do the final step. It's time to combine the scene. Open CapCut, import all videos, combine all scenes and voiceover accordingly, and check the final output.
1.8 million years ago, the land is open, harsh, and full of teeth. Here, 4 young Homo habilis stalk the savanna. Their weapons are crude: sticks, stones, and bones.
Export your final video in high quality. Upload to your chosen platform, YouTube, TikTok, Instagram Reels, whatever you want. Now that you've created your video, the next question is, how do we actually get views? Well, here's the exact system that makes it possible. The first tool you'll need is Tezza app. Once your long video is done, just go to Tezza app, click on Streamer Clipper, upload your video, and it will automatically generate a bunch of short clips for you. And you might be asking, why short clips? Because short-form content is one of the most powerful ways to grow right now. Platforms like YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, and TikTok are pushing it hard, meaning your clips can reach way more people than long videos alone. And I will tell you how to take advantage of this. Once you've got your clips, the next step is to open our next very important tool, repurpose.io. This tool allows you to take all those clips and instantly publish them across every major social platform in just a few clicks. That means YouTube Shorts, Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, X, Snapchat, Pinterest, LinkedIn, you name it. Instead of uploading manually to each one, repurpose.io automates the entire process. And here's the best part. When you're posting across multiple platforms, you're not only driving traffic back to your YouTube channel, you're also growing audiences on all these other platforms too. And guess what? Many of them can also make you money. For example, Facebook has the partner program, TikTok pays creators, and Instagram Reels also has opportunities. So now, instead of relying only on YouTube ad revenue, you're stacking multiple income streams just by repurposing your content. This is what I call creating a content loop. Each clip you post becomes a hook that brings new people into your channel. The algorithms push your short-form clips. People discover you on multiple platforms. They click your profile link and they end up on your YouTube videos. One long video turns into dozens of traffic sources, all feeding back into your channel.